In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create calendar event on n8n quick tutorial. Let's jump straight into the workflow editor. Start by using the search bar to look for calendar. You'll see options for the calendar connections you already have available, such as Google Calendar or Zoho Calendar. Choose the calendar connection you want to work with. This simply tells n8n which calendar service you're planning to use, so you can interact with it inside your workflow. After you click on your chosen calendar integration, n8n will show you the nodes that are available for that service. You'll notice there are both action nodes and trigger nodes. Triggers are great for starting a workflow when something happens in your calendar, while actions let you perform tasks on demand. For creating a new event, we'll use an action. Select the Create Event node. This adds the node directly to your canvas, ready to configure. Think of this node as the instruction that tells your calendar service, please create a new event with these details. When the parameters window opens, you'll see the option to sign in to your selected calendar service if you haven't already. Go ahead and authenticate your account securely. This allows n8n to communicate with your calendar, following the permissions you approve. Once you're connected, it's time to set the parameters for the node. Choose the specific calendar where the event should be created, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Then set the start and end details. Be mindful of the date, time, and time zone so your event appears exactly when you expect. Beyond that, you'll find other settings and properties to tailor the event. This is where you can add a clear title, a helpful description, a location, and any other details your calendar supports. If your calendar integration exposes options like reminders, visibility, or color, you can set those too. The goal is to make the event complete and easy to recognize at a glance. After you finish configuring the node, close the parameters window. Now connect this Create Event node to the other nodes in your workflow so it fits your desired flow. For example, you might connect it after a node that provides dates and event information, ensuring the event is created with the right inputs at the right time. And that's all there is to it. You've set up a Create Event action in n8n, connected it to your calendar, configured the details, and placed it neatly into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with n8n.